Hi everybody, welcome to Science. Today we are going to talk about energy and states of matter. So let's review what we learned in the last lesson. Review from last lesson. There are three states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. An example of a solid would be a desk, a phone, a paper clip, a lamp, right? That's solids. A liquid is milk, water, juice, soda pop. Gas is like steam or the air we breathe, right? These are examples of the three states of matter. Matter and energy. Matter is anything that takes up space, like these clothes or water or paper or a book, anything that takes up space. Matter is all around us. Matter is made up of little parts called particles. Excuse me. We can't feel it, but the particles in matter are always moving. They're moving. In a solid, they barely move. In a liquid, they move more. And in gas, they're moving all the time. How the particles move in a solid. In solids, the particles are packed together and they only vibrate. No, you know what vibrate is because you all have a phone. But they move just a little bit, right? Sorry. In a liquid, how the particles move in a liquid. In liquids, the particles have more room and they move past each other. So they're moving around. They have more room. They're not as tightly packed as the solid. They have more room and they move around. What about in gas? How the particles move in a gas. In gases, the particles move freely until they hit the wall of a container. So here they're just moving. They have all the freedom in the world to move until they hit the wall. If we took off that lid, like say it's a can, and we took it off, it would just fly away. The gas would just move completely out of the container. Okay, let's compare how the particles move in each state of matter. In solids, they just vibrate, move just very little bit. In liquid, they're starting to have more room. They move past each other. There's more room. In gas, they're moving like crazy. They're free to move all over until they hit the wall of the container. Okay, kinetic energy. What is that? The movement of these particles, because we all said they move, right, is called kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is the energy something has because it is moving. So a solid doesn't have a lot of kinetic energy. Liquid, a little more. Gas, wow, lots of kinetic energy, right? Compare kinetic energy in each state of matter. A gas has more kinetic energy than a liquid. Well, look, it's moving. A lot of movement has more kinetic energy than a liquid. What do you think about the liquid compared with a solid? A liquid, again, has more kinetic energy than a solid. Here's the liquid. Compare it with the solid. It's moving more, so it has more kinetic energy, right? So look, the most kinetic energy, a little less, the least kinetic energy, right? This has a lot of kinetic energy, a little less, very little kinetic energy. Okay, that's it for our lesson. Let's look at our assignment. So here is our assignment. Science assignment, energy and states of matter. Decide if the following statements are true or false. That's really all we're doing today. It's almost the end of the year, and I wanted to make it an easy assignment. Number one, the three states of matter are solid, liquid, and gas. True or false? Number two, matter is made up of little parts called particles. True or false? Number three, the particles in matter do not move at all. True or false? Kinetic energy is the energy something has because it is moving. Number five, solids have more kinetic energy than liquids. You decide. Matter is anything that takes up space. So true or false for all of these. Okay, so that's it for now. If you don't understand something, look at the translation documents. You can also text or email me. Good luck on the assignment. See you next time.